Hey guys, welcome to the Max Invest YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over some of the news in the cryptocurrency markets, and then we're going to be looking at a few specific coins and doing a bit of price analysis on where the market is right now. Of course, if you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and also remember nothing in this video is financial advice and you should always do your own research. So let's begin with some of the news. This week there hasn't been too much news in cryptocurrency. So far Bitcoin has just been trading around the exact same amount and it's been very boring for this week of crypto. Not much is really happening, nothing good and nothing bad. However, there are a few bits of news that are slightly bullish for crypto in general. Coinbase is saying that they're basically working to list as many altcoins as possible, and Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, is saying they want to list every altcoin under the sun. So, if you know what happens when altcoins are listed on Coinbase, basically they boom in price and go significantly well because of this listing. Coinbase, however, are very slow listing altcoins, and it took them ages to list both Cardano and Polkadot, which was quite annoying. However, if you have a lot of your favorite cryptos or have a few good altcoins that you really like, a Coinbase listing could help them out significantly, and that's something I would look out for. The next big bit of news is that there's actually a bit more confirmation of when Ethereum is actually going to transition over to a proof of stake blockchain. Right now it looks like with EIP 3554 that Ethereum is going to transition over to proof of stake in around December of 2021. So far it's been pretty ambiguous as to when Ethereum will do proof of stake. Most people have been thinking September or November. However, right now it does look like it's going to be December. This is still a pretty good timeline, and this isn't too much of a delay of what people initially thought. So, another bit of FUD in the cryptocurrency market that a lot of people have been talking about is that Binance has essentially been banned in the UK. The United Kingdom have basically stopped all fiat on-ramps and fiat off-ramps of Binance. So that means if people want to withdraw their withdraw their real-world money from Binance, well, they can't really do it. Of course, this is very easy to solve, as these people could just send their cryptocurrencies to another exchange and then withdraw it in the UK. However, it is a bit annoying to see this. Basically, the governments can't really regulate crypto. They can't stop people buying or selling or holding Bitcoin at all. However, they can regulate the fiat on-ramps and off-ramps, as they do control the money that comes from the banks. I'm not 100% sure why the UK have done this to Binance. However, it is interesting to see. However, it's important to note that this is only one country and this is only Binance, which is one exchange. Individuals can still buy and sell cryptocurrency on other exchanges in the UK, however, they have specifically targeted Binance. I'm not 100% sure why this is, however, I definitely wouldn't see this as too bearish, and I don't think this has been reflected too much in the prices. So, if we look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, we can see that cryptos are doing more or less what they're doing. They're basically having a small green day today, with Bitcoin and Ethereum being up a couple of percentage points and all of the other altcoins kind of following. Some are down, some are up. It looks pretty standard. If we take a look at the weekly winners, we can see a lot of cryptos have actually done extremely well over the past week. XDC is a crypto that's been doing very well lately, appreciating by hundreds of percentage points every couple of days or so. I'm not sure when this will stop, and I don't 100% know what this crypto does. However, it's interesting to see Compound has gone up 70% in the last week. This is pretty interesting, as there hasn't been too many fundamental changes for Compound. It just looks like it got really oversold. Compound is just DeFi and it's lending and loaning services, and it's interesting to see. The internet computer is up 62% week over week as well, which is interesting to see. And there's been no big news on the internet computer. However, I do believe this is just a product of it being oversold. Most of these cryptos that are having huge gains, I just really think it's because they've been oversold too much and they're coming back up and gaining a little bit more ground. So, if we look at what the total cryptocurrency market is doing right now, we can see that it's doing more or less the same thing. Bitcoin is trading sideways again, and I've said this every week, and I said it'll continue to happen, and it's not rebounding right now. It just continues to go sideways, which I do think is going to be the course of action for the next few months, and we should be patient with Bitcoin. Nothing too much is happening with Bitcoin right now. It is the biggest coin in the entire market, however, it really isn't doing too much, and it seems to be doing what it's been doing in all of the other cycles, see 2017. So, if we have a look at some of the other coins, we can see Ethereum is still doing pretty well. Ethereum is once again testing its bull market support band, however this time it seems to be using the bull market support band more so as resistance than support. You can see it's at the top of its bull market support band right now, and it'll be interesting to see if Ethereum can break out and continue going. Ethereum's definitely one of my favorite coins, and I do believe that if we look at the total market cycle and look at where Ethereum's going right now, it's not looking too bad. Ethereum is still looking pretty good right now. So let's have a look at a few altcoins. Chainlink is one of the favorite coins on this channel, and there are a lot of reasons for this. Chainlink is one of the most fundamentally strong altcoins out there, however it has such a low market capitalization. This means it probably is one of the coins that has the potential to give you the most gains, and I do say potential, this isn't financial advice. So, Chainlink have a lot of bullish things going for them, and they are a data oracle which is needed for all smart contracts. However, Chainlink 2.0 is more than just a data oracle, and it means Chainlink can actually speed up cryptos. Chainlink has a way of helping Ethereum increase its transactions per second, and what Sergey Nazarov wants Chainlink to do is he actually wants Chainlink to be fixing all of the problems with cryptocurrencies. Obviously, Ethereum has a data problem, so Chainlink is a data oracle for that. However, Ethereum has a whole bunch of other problems such as enterprise adoption, off-chain computation, abstraction, and Chainlink basically want to help all of this stuff, and Chainlink want to do more than be just a data oracle, and I really do think Chainlink have a lot of potential this market cycle, and they are quite undervalued right now. So Chainlink is doing more or less what it usually does. It has had a bit of a breakdown, and I am hoping for a rally back up, back to the bull market support band. However, we will see if this actually happens. Another good cryptocurrency that we've looked at a bit in the past few weeks is Vechain. However, Vechain is looking a bit bearish, breaking down its bull market support band. It will be interesting to see what happens with VET. I am looking out at that 2-3 cent range, which is a significant drop off. However, I do think it's possible if Bitcoin remains bearish. Only time will tell for Vechain. Overall, the total cryptocurrency market has been pretty boring right now. Bitcoin has been regaining in dominance and everything is happening exactly as expected. It's just been doing what it would do and what you'd expect it to do when Bitcoin drops. Nothing much has been happening in the past couple of months, and I expect nothing much will happen for a while. That's why my plan is just to continue dollar cost averaging into cryptocurrencies and accumulating as much as I can right now in this sideways period. It gives you a really good time to stack all of your cryptocurrencies so you can just hold and you can watch the next bull market and the next takeoff of all the cryptocurrencies. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. It would be much appreciated. Thanks for watching the video.